Kundalini and journey continues. Where next? Kundalini has been in the evolutionary journey and it is not going to stop in me and in you. You have to travel, you have to go, you have to move out of your country, you have to leave your home, you have to leave the matrix, you have to leave the benefits which your people, your society, your family gives you. And the journey in the unknown is here next. Meet me in Nepal, in the Himalayas for physical project and work on your instinctive brain. I am going to work on your instinctive brain and I am going to make you addiction free from all that you are encaged. You are not able to work on yourself. You are not able to focus on anything. Your brain is damaged because of all that you are doing right now in the matrix. There is no fresh air, there is no fresh environment to breathe, there is no fresh space to breathe, and only Guru can take you there because Guru walks the path. I am here to transform you into a new individual, into a powerful individual only when you are ready to invest in your life. You should be the priority of your life. You should be the most important focus of your life. If you are focusing on your life, then all the forces of the universe comes together to build you, to create you, and the universe conspires in favor of you. You will see that when you take the first action in the right direction, you are getting support from different forces, different sources throughout. I always take the unknown path because that is what my Kundalini guides. This is my inner GPS. My inner GPS to uproot from the known. In a country like India, where I get the benefits of everything, the best of the best benefits of the matrix, but still I am living for now to travel because my Kundalini wants that. I am bringing that shift in my life. I took that plunge and I am proud of myself of taking this giant step towards the individual freedom, individual power and individual happiness. I love myself a lot. I am selfish and that is why I am taking my life ahead by investing in myself. There is nothing more than energy in this universe. Everything is energy, and when you want to experience that expansiveness of energy, you have to come close to yourself. You have to get integrated into your being, and traveling into the unknown makes that possible. You have to go where your inner GPS is taking you, where your Kundalini is taking you for your evolution. I chose my evolution, I chose my growth, I chose my prosperity, and that is why I left all toxic people in my life long ago. It has been a decade now. Not a single person from my past life can connect to me, can resonate with me, and they are distant apart from this frequency. This Sanju frequency is what makes things happen, and you get the benefits of this Sanju frequency when you surrender to this power that I am embodied with. When you come as a student, you know that the Guru is going to uplift you, airlift you from wherever you are, and that is why I am powerful, because I transform, I am dynamic, I am unpredictable. I take you to the unknown journey, and life is unpredictable. There is nothing certain in life, and that is why you grow with me. When you work on yourself in the direction I teach you, you actually feel that shift is happening in your life because the focus is you. You were created to become the phoenix, to become unbeatable, to become unstoppable. But you became a rat of the matrix, and that is why you are suffering. I have been transforming lives. I have been transforming people through my personal touch, one-to-one working on you is what I love to do. That is my passion, to transform you. And those who are working on themselves, they get transformed with me. So if you are interested in your transformation, then you can connect to my team and they will guide you further on how to be with me in physical project in the Himalayas, in Nepal from April onwards. And if you need online consultation also, then also they will guide you for how you can be benefited from the high energy I am getting from the Himalayas. I am going to work on negative ions. I am going to show you experientially what negative ions, the prana and the high energies of the Himalayas can transform me. Experientially I will show you the instinctive life that I will live, and that is why I am going there, for my evolution to the next level. No more dependent on the sedentary life of the matrix. I am choosing the unknown because this is what I want. This is because I have chosen to create my life. And you too can create your life if you invest your time, money and energy in this transformation. This is the beauty of being with me. And more about it, I will keep updating you as I go ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in Nepal soon.